is no one who could ever compare to you. Even if others may seem good, it is only on the surface. Their heart and soul are not the same as yours. That is why I give my whole heart to love only you, to miss only you. In my life, you are my greatest desire. You are the best of all in this world. That is why I love only you alone. Please be strong in your heart. I will love only you for a lifetime. Please smile right here in front of me, so my heart can be at peace, knowing you have only me. Let us stay together, as solid as stone, as firm as rock, for 100 lifetimes. Never be apart, never to part ways. In my life, you are my greatest desire. You are the best of all in this world. That is why